Use of keys function. Keys with opening and closing parentheses is the keys function. So I'm going to use keys function. We have just finished the dict function. Now to try this keys function. Let's check it in example. Example number 7, where I have data equals to person, comma, house number 50, comma, street number 90. Tell the print of data.keys function. When you run it, you will get this output. As I told you, I'm using keys function here. So to do so, you have to put data. Look, what is data? Data is a simple variable name. It is the identifier which keeps this information, this whole information from here up to here. They have been saved with the name data in the computer memory. So whenever you need this information and you want to access them, you need to call simply data. Simply data. Don't need to put everything here. Simply put data and then dot. Don't forget dot keys function. Dot keys function. When you take its print, it will return dictionary keys. Dict means dictionary keys. You will get all the keys here. All the keys. Person, house number, street number. Because we are talking about the keys. We are not talking about the values. We are talking about the keys. When you use this function, it will return all the keys in a single line. Person, house number, and street number. They are called dictionary keys. Dictionary keys.